Alright, boys and girls, we are going to be looking at a pristine iroc Z. Oof. Pristine. 27,000 miles on it. This car is mint. Look at that. Pretty much all original. Looks like a couple things have been done to it. What am I doing? Working out those and putting headers and a catback system. Let's check out the undercarriage. She's a little crusty underneath. Australian pause rear end. Little leaky. Pretty clean. I like it. Magnaflow catback. Flowtech shorty headers with the Y pipe. Only because back in the day, I used to own one. So I do like these cars. So far, with all the exhaust is down, I got one header in. Then we're going to be working on the other one tomorrow. Part 2 later.